In this video, we are going to talk about a powerful AI, which is open source and it can create high quality music for you. So if you're ready, let's begin. So as you may know, there are a couple of AI models out there that can create music for you, high quality, good music for you, but they are paid and they have a lot of licensing challenges. And one of them is Suno. One of the famous ones is Suno, and you can use it to create music. But how good it could be to create music on your own computer, open source, without any limit. So in this video, we are going to talk about an AI called HeartMuLa. Okay, I will put the link to their GitHub page down in the description. Okay, and if we look at the charts, so here is Suno, the final version, the last version, version 5. And this is the chart for lyric error rate. And as you can see, HeartMuLa is even lower. It has less errors comparing to this paid version, Suno version 5. And the overall quality, as you can see, it is almost as good as Suno version 5. And the other things, it is also performing really well. And now I'm going to show you a couple of examples so you can hear it and see what it can do. And then I will show you how you can set it up on your computer and then enjoy using it. So here I have opened this, I have installed this AI on my computer and I opened it in this VS Code project, which in a moment I will show you how you can do the same. And let's look at the couple of examples that I have made. So here I haven't heard this while I was recording another video. The code made this one. When you install the AI on your computer, there are two folders, two files. One of them is lyric, where you can write the lyric of your music. Okay. And the other part, we have tags, which it works like prompts. Okay, you can write the type of music that you want. For example, this one is opera, classical, female vocal, soprano, orchestra, and so on. And based on these two files, it will create the music for you. So here is the result of this classical opera.
Nel silenzio della notte, le stelle piangono con me. Addio, amore mio, ti porto.
So this is not very opera or classical. So it has some weaknesses. For example, as much as I tried, I couldn't build a good instrumental music. It is mainly focused on vocal. So this was one example. The quality was good. More or less, you could understand that this is AI. It had that feeling of AI in it. And it wasn't 100% opera. But let's continue on some other examples that we have and see how they are. So here we have another example for hip hop. And here is the lyric of it. So I'm just gonna play the music.
Let's go. Started from the bottom, now I'm climbing to the top. Every single day I grind, I never gonna stop. They said I couldn't make it, but I proved them all wrong. Now I'm writing history, putting life into this song. City lights are shining on my dreams. Rise up, stand tall, never gonna fall. This is my moment.
As you can see, it's really good. This hip hop one was amazing. I really liked it. Wow. Okay, let's go for another one. Let's see. Okay, here we have jazz. And here is the lyric of it. Okay. And here are the tags. So we have jazz, female vocal, saxophone, piano smooth, and so on. So let's hear it.
Smoke fills the room tonight. Piano plays so low. Your eyes across the bar, got nowhere else to go. Baby, take my hand, let the music flow. My lonely heart, but when you smile at me, I knew right from the start. Baby, take my hand.
Okay, the quality again was good, but it wasn't 100% jazz. It's something between jazz and pop. So this was my first try on writing the prompt. Maybe if I play with tags, I could get a better result. But this was my first try on jazz, even though that the song was really cool. But same as classical opera, it wasn't like that. Okay. One good thing is that you can generate music in different languages. So here we have Spanish, and here's the lyric of it, and here are the tags. And in the tags, you can mention Spanish. And here's the result.
Bajo la luna de Madrid, mi corazón late por ti. Bailamos juntos esta noche, no me dejes ir de aquí. Ay, mi amor, ven a bailar. Siente el fuego en...
I really like it. So let's look at another music that we have here. Let's look at this slow rock here. Here's a lyric. I think here I mentioned make some music similar to Nothing Else Matter. Of course, it's not the same lyric. It's a different lyric, but the feeling I wanted it to be the same or close to it. So here's the result.
So close your eyes with me tonight. Trust the words I say. Life is ours to live together, never fade away. I have walked through fire. Let the world just fall away.
Okay, not bad, not bad. I think it is doing a good job, but it lacks a little genre or style in the creation process. And I'm sure if they work on it, they can get there as well. And here also, I wanted to test it in Persian language because I can understand it, and I wanted to hear how correct it can sing in another language. So here's another example.
اشکای یخیمو پاک کن درای قلب تو وا کن صدای قلبمو بشنو من چه کردم با دل تو.
Generally it's cool and we can make a lot of music with it. So let me also tell you how long it took for my computer to process each one of these songs. So let me come down here. For example, I think for the last one, for the first one, the classical opera, it took about 6 minutes to create a music which was 1 minute, right? For the other examples, for example, the previous one, again, 6 minutes. Here it took 9 minutes, but I think it is 1 minute and a half. And again, 9 minutes, and I'm using a Mac Mini M4. And here is the result. As you can see, it takes, for example, for each song, for 1.5 minute song, it takes like 10 minutes. And the next question that you might have is that how we can install this. So I have another training on how to set up a system like this, and here's the video. You can take a look at it. I will also put the link down in the description. I will teach you how to set up a system, a VS Code system like this. And after you watch that video, come back again here, and all you need to do is to just create a new window. Okay. And here then open a folder, create a folder on your computer, for example, test projects. Here I'm going to make 3-, let's say HeartMuLa. Okay. And open it. Then come here, let me make it bigger. Click on Claude chat and set the mode on auto edit. Then all you need to do is to just copy the link to this GitHub page and come back here and just tell Claude that here is an AI model, then write it for you. I wrote down here is an open source AI model for creating music and songs. I want you to study this GitHub page and then install it on my computer in this folder and in this folder that we are in right now. Then I shared the link to the GitHub. All you need to do is to just click on send. Then it will follow the process. It will ask you for a couple of permissions. You will give the permissions, and then Claude will take all the steps that you need to take. It will download the files. It will install it on your computer. And I think the minimum RAM that you need to have is 16 gigabyte. They didn't mention it on their GitHub page, but on another website, I saw 16 gigabyte number. So anyway, that's all you need to take to install it. And when you install it, you will see some folders like this. You won't have the result folder. I made it myself. You will have these, something like this. So when you open this folder, HeartLib, inside it, you will have a couple of other files and folders. One of them is assets. Open the assets. And then here you will have lyrics and tags. And what I did is that to make my work easier, I came and say that, for example, let's say I want, let's say, heavy metal song, okay, for, let's say, 60 seconds. And then based on what Claude studied on the GitHub page, now it knows what it should do, how it should write the codes or make the changes. So it will change the lyric. So if I come here, here we have a new lyric, fire burning in my veins and so on. Then it changed the tags as well to heavy metal, metal, male vocal, electronic guitar, drums and so on, aggressive, powerful, and it's done. Now to create the song, all you need to do is to just, it will give you the code, just copy it, come down here. If here it is called terminal. If it's not open for you, all you need to do is to come here at the top bar, click on terminal and click on new terminal. Okay, it will open a new terminal for you. This is a new one. This one is the one that I was using. Anyway, doesn't matter. Just copy this code and paste it here and then press enter. And then it will begin creating the song for you. So it will so now it begins. As you can see, it is creating the song itself. This second loading is the main process of creating the song. Okay, so that would be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you are interested in this kind of videos, do not forget to like and leave a comment. This way I will understand you like this kind of content and I will make more of them. Okay. And also, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, which is really bad, you already should have subscribed. But anyway, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell so you don't miss our new upcoming videos. And that would be all. So See you soon on another video.